If you wanted to shoot a fashion campaign a few years ago, what would you need? A model, a photographer, an expensive camera, a makeup artist, a stylist, and a budget that would make your wallet very sad. But now with Picsart Flow, you can do an entire photo shoot in minutes. Today, I'll show you how to create studio quality photo shoots from a single image using Picsart Flow. You will be able to adjust the lighting, backgrounds, and clothing while still preserving facial features. I'm Haik, and let's get started. Picsart Flow is an AI workflow tool that lets you ideate, iterate, and automate designs on a single visual canvas. It's a node workflow builder for solo creators or teams, making creative workflow automation simple and powerful. From the Picsart homepage, go to the left-hand sidebar and click Flow. This will open a new window where we can create a new workflow. Let's start creating. Upload an image in the New Image node from your device. Let's use this young man as an example. Create a new connected image node. Let's say you want to create the first one for a dating profile, the second one for a professional headshot, and lastly, a creative output for showing off his adventures in Osaka. Creative workflows in Picsart Flow rely heavily on connections between nodes and using prompts to generate designs. Starting with our dating profile node, let's have our subject look a bit more put together, with proper lighting, a cool environment, and something nicer to wear. Picsart Flow has a wide range of models to choose from. For this purpose, we'll stick to Nano Banana Pro. Let's keep the quality at 4K and leave the aspect ratio auto. Now, let's describe in the text box a perfect dating profile image based on our uploaded photo. You can type in something like, change the background to a summer afternoon in the streets of Rome with shallow depth of field so we can focus on the subject's face. The subject is standing in the composition, wearing a luxurious, fitted white linen shirt, a beige cashmere cardigan, and a thin gold chain on his neck. The lighting is bright overall and warm, and it accentuates the subject's handsome features. Click Generate. Wow, he looks great, but I think it's a little too warm to be wearing a cardigan in Rome during the summer. So let's simply remove it. Create a new image node and type remove cardigan and roll up the sleeves of his linen shirt to his forearms. Click Generate. And there we go. We have a perfect dating profile. Let's move on. The t-shirt and the bedroom shot are not suitable for any professional networking platform. So let's change that. In the image node, let's type something like turn this photo into a professional headshot. Change the background to a brightly lit modern corporate office setting with shallow depth of field. Have the subject pose in a 3/4 portrait pose. Replace clothing with a suit and tie. His expression is a friendly and natural smile. Click Generate. Now we have a great headshot for professional purposes. But say you're not satisfied with his outfit. We can change that by making new image nodes and changing details of the suit. Let's write something like this. Change the color of the suit to black and the shirt to gray. Let's change it up even more by adding a variation that's a bit more business casual. In a new image node, type in change suit to be more business casual with a beige linen jacket and black shirt. Now we have a winning professional headshot that will no doubt make a great impression with employers. Let's move on to the last creative. Imagine our subject is a travel influencer, documenting his first time in Osaka, Japan. He'll need some strong, captivating images for his social channels. With Picsart Flow, we can edit our subject entirely from his location, his clothing, and even his poses by using reference photos. Let's first upload a cool reference shot that our subject took on location. Then we can connect the reference image node to the blank one. The blank image node now knows to use the original uploaded photo and the reference shot. I want it to be 16 by 9. Let's type something like, using the reference image, place the subject within the center of the bridge in Osaka, with bright neon lights behind him. He is now wearing a black nylon bomber and a backwards black cap. The composition shows the subject from the waist up. He is standing with his side profile while there are people walking around him on both sides. Make sure the lighting of the environment and the subject match, so he feels naturally part of the image. Once we're happy with this, we click Generate. This looks pretty cool, but let's get creative with it and adjust the colors to add some flair. In a new image node, let's type in decrease exposure of the environment so it has a moodier vibe, but preserve subject brightness. Adjust the lighting to have a more green teal hue. Add motion blur to the people walking by him, giving the composition movement. Click Generate. That looks like it will rack up likes on Instagram. Let's resize this photo so we can post it to different social media channels. Create a new image node. Adjust the aspect ratio to 9 by 16 to match Instagram stories and simply type resize. Let's do the second one for a 1 by 1 square size. And now we have perfectly resized photos that are ready to be uploaded on Instagram. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more. I'm Haik and I'll see you next time.